Ready? Okay, so they've sorted the rocks. There are the white ones and the red ones, the smooth ones and the rough ones. What are they going to do next? Well, if you give them some pouches, they're going to want to fill the pouches with the rocks, which is a whole different fine motor skill. So first they have to open the pouch, and they might choose to do it with their hands. Oh. Or they might want to use the tongs. And again, what they're learning here, as they're having fun, because it's fun to do this, is they're learning that the rocks weigh something, because as it was just on the table, they didn't really have a good idea of how much it weighs. But as they start filling a pouch, it starts to get heavier and heavier as they fill it up. So they're learning about volume, mass, and weight. Let's see if they use this pouch with these lava rocks. These hardly weigh anything at all. So not all rocks are heavy, and that's something very interesting. As they're working with the rocks, they will learn that not all rocks feel the same.